Hello, my name is Bangga Surawiguna. Name 2021-11007, class 2A, management. The effect of asset structure, profitability, company size, and company growth and capital structure. Number one, abstract. The purpose of this study was to determine and examine the effect of asset structure, profitability, firms and company growth on the capital structure of manufacturer company listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange in the something method used was purposive, something that was 52 company in the criteria data obtained from the financial report and performance report published in the Indonesia Capital Market Directory. The analytical tool that used is multiple regression hypothesis testing. Is done by the test and determination coefficient for the classes assumption. The test in turn be normality test, autocorrelation test, multi-correlation test, and heteroscedasticity test. The analysis of asset structure has a positive effect on the capital structure and not significant to the capital structure. Profitability has a negative and significant effect on the capital structure. The size of the company has a positive and significant effect on the capital structure, and the company growth has a negative and significant effect on the capital structure. Number two, introduction. The capital profit in the ultimate goal of every business process carried out by the company. A manager who incidentally is a person who is responsible for the past of a company, especially a financial manager who must be smart and careful in managing the company finances. Starting from budgeting, using fund for investment, taking the policy for additional funding sources. Sources of fund can be applied from internal funding sources as representation of profits or capital, where fund sources from external source can be obtained from debt. A capital structure organized to Husman is the value of the balance between corporation debt and equity, while the opinion of vision and governance status that the proportion of debt and capital itself if called capital structure. This total debt consists of the from long period of expired but forward be become an houseman. The corporation of capital must pay attention to asset structure such as ability, referendum, growth rate, productivity, taxes, management policies, and also the condition within the company. The conditional must be taken into account be measured in market decision. The factor of the market condition must also be taken into consideration. Manager must be able to provide an assessment of the financial condition of the company, not to make policy judgment. Thereafter, the used capital structure normally modification Miller theory, signaling theory, and structure normally packing order their theory. In this study, for the comparison between a number of all that used support variable in the study and apply from several previous study. Normally, packing orders very signaling very an agency theory. The comparison between a number of all foreign loan and source of fund owner the survey is company in running its business. Debt to equity ratio is used for calculating the capital structure ratio in the research that the authors do it as a function to determine the amount of leverage compared to the total equity of the company. Total debt R is the amount between long-term debt and short-term debt. Our capital consists of the total initial capital of the company itself and retained company to the debt ratio so that if B total debt at B the company is greater than the equity, the company will also increase its debt low cover is debt low according to Meridiani and Miller said that there is no liquidity from the capital structure on firm value, but one conditional that there into tax imposed Victory Falls are also used as a marker of whether or not the financial condition of a company is healthy. The decision of finding law be used must the actual condition of the company must also be said that company long term plan with move in with decision so that the decision of composition of capital to be used can be optimal and on target. And number 3, number the literature review. In the article, the cost of capital corporation financial and the theory of interaction B. Maxton and Miller suggests that the value of a company capital structure with conditional to grow in life with company. Continue development this is due to the cost of the rate. This means that there will be reduction in the company income because of the amount of tax paid to the impact of the user like that will be a dish to using the development variable in the capital structure and study using in the development variable ranges variable and company with variable are used set independent variable and also using as control variable in the the asset structure has positive effect on their in capital structure between the amount of the debt and the axis that the very money benefit takeable asset as that are like of the loan fund received investor will category growing companies with conditional status with low rate or low rate. This will make it easier to get loan fund based that the high liquidity for are taken into consideration. The invest fund will be asset withdrawn through the asset. The asset that significant positive effect was so be the structure of asset in the capital component. This is the with Urian agent result from the description about it can about that the company will use 11 field so that the asset structure in is positive comparison the component in the capital structure return to equity role has a positive effect on their company that the like item having of the use of their often if you look at the packing of other dairy. The level of ingredient in company provided will cover the Indonesia increase the amount of money generation and certain will ensure the ability of fund the company capital funding not from own fund like which the small potential of company will make it the director of the company will with a strong certain of fund. Number 4, research results. The data is that is quantitative data were obtained from the method of operating data available from population manual respect in the Indonesia Capital Merge Directory. Manufacturing company that has been listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange were low as 2011 to 2020 as the year of social population and several company in the manufacture sector. There are data consideration very starting from user tech will using the proposed something method in the manufacture company research and the requisites of the for period 2011 and 2012 resort November resort discussion. The general description of the variable in the study in the consideration of the normal value and higher value then the study component of conversion study numeric capital structure and the dependent variable considered of considered structure probable families and company group description statistic like follow table 2 and this obtained from the number of researchers something that have been sleeping from a population of manufacture company this from company data tech from of the 5 year so that low data and productive are much as 5 data and conclusion and suggestion. The result of the data analysis description in the capture above normally to determine the action that occurs in the company of the capital structure on the variable of the study. So with this conclusion product when present in the result of the data analysis. So that the regression of vision and the asset structure variable in positive with a signal variable of that as positive and significant effect as significant way recession because the reason of the study did economy inflation. Number two, based of the result of data analysis shown that regression comparison and variable in negative and also value significant is not proven until hope finding short Swedish routing the as of comparison date. Number three, the result of data analysis so that the regression comparison of this variable was positive with significant has positive significant introduction that stack that capital structure in Pacific influence. Number five, based of the result of data analysis show that the regression composition of the company grew variable negative with significant negative but not significant effect. Thank you with the analysis in the session. See you tomorrow. Thank you.